Sleets here, and today I'm just going to be showing you how to fix the problem of your PlayStation 3 not turning on. Look, as you can see, the red light, and quick beep and off again. Right. No, it's not going on at all. Here, that one was a little bit longer than the other one. So, what you want to do is you want to just pull these leads out and then blow into it. And these two. Now, first put your HDMI in, and then your AC power lead. And this probably won't work, but oh, it's actually worked first time. Usually you have to do it a couple times. That's how to fix the PlayStation 3 when it's not turning on. Thanks guys for watching.